sausage, bacon,
Ham, onion,
eggs, cheese,
whatever you like.
Get Carrera.
Add a pinch of salt. Add a little pepper.
Let's scramble.
Looks delicious.
Water.
Let this steam for 8 minutes.
Forget to seal the vent.
Be careful, it's hot.